Hi, I'm Terry, and this is just a quick short tutorial on master keying basics. So basically what I'm going to do here, I'm going to rekey a lock, and I'm going to master key it to the master key. So let's just call the A master key, and the number is going to be 2, 1, 4, 2, 6. So my master key, now I've generated it through a computer program. We have other videos on this. I'm just going to show you a quick short tutorial on how to master key a simple lock. So the master key is AMK, that's what we're going to stamp it, 21426. My A1 key is 43448. And I'm just going to go very, very simple here. Write it out. This will be your bottom pins. This will be your master pins or top pins. Basically, it's very simple. We'll go to the lowest number first as our bottom pins. Lowest number between 2 and 4 is a 2. Lowest number between 1 and 3 is a 1. Lowest number, 4. Lowest number between 2 and 4, 2. Lowest number is 6. 4 minus 2, to figure out our master pins, is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 4, we don't call it 0, we call it X. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So very quickly, we're going to put in the bottom pins will be 2, 1, 4, 2, 6. And our master pins will be 2, 2, X, 2, 2. So I'm not going to show you how you do it. This will be a 2 bottom pin. This will be a 1 bottom pin. A 4 bottom pin, another 2 bottom pin, and this will be a 6 bottom pin. Lousy picture, but what the heck. And we're going to put a 2 wafer here, a 2 wafer here, we're going to put nothing there. We're going to put a 2 wafer here, and a 2 wafer here. So I'm going to key this up so you can see. For my lousy picture, I'll show you when we key it up. I'm going to key up a Schlage lock to this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to master key a Schlage lock. We're going to rekey a Schlage. This is a kick cylinder from a deadbolt, lazy cam. So we're going to remove the end cap. We're just master keying, so it doesn't really matter if it's a mortise cylinder, kick cylinder, whatever. Just use my end cap removal tool. Save my little spring. I shouldn't use my tweezers, but I'm going to put a little X here so I know that's the front. Going to remove the cylinder. Dump the pins. I'll just dump them here for now. So it's a 5-pin, 6-pin cylinder. We've already dumped the 6-pin. This is a 5-pin system. So I'm going to use my master key. I'm going to put it in. And we know the master key is a 21426. We also know our bottom pins is a 21426. So I'm going to go put a 2, 195. Put the pin in there. It's already flush with the shear line. Put a 1. Is a 180. I'm going to get a 4. Is a 225. Going to get a 2 bottom pin, 195. And a final is a 6. And a 6 is a 255 bottom pin. Don't use top pins, use bottom pins. So that's totally flush. I'm going to now put in my A1 key. It's a 5-pin. And we're going to key it up. And you know, we're basically going to put in a 2-2 nothing 2-2. In this case, a 2 master pin or top pin is a 030. I'm going to grab a couple of these because I know I'm going to use 4. So I'm just going to grab 4 right now. So put a 2 there as per our code. A 2 there. This is a top pin, flat on both sides, or a master pin. A 2 again there. And another 2. Remember, we put nothing there in our third spot. It's 2, 2, X, 2, 2. Now I'm going to put this into my cylinder. I've already marked where the top is. Just going to put it in. That works perfect. So we know the A1 works. We're going to try the master key, and the master key is absolutely perfect. Just to recheck again. Now, in the old-time locksmiths will put graphite in the top. My dad did it. You get all black. I don't like graphite. I don't think it's healthy. When I put this all back together again, I'll get a squirt of Tri-Flow. Tri-Flow is a lubricant. I like it. There's other brands of lock lubricants. I just like the Tri-Flow. And don't put oil. And don't forget, WD-40 is a penetrating oil, not a lubricant. So that's what we've done here. We've done a very simple master key. Stand by. We're going to do more videos. We're going to put together the whole system on a 6-lock system. We're going to key it all up from scratch. We're going to design it, cut our keys, master key it up, and it'll be part of our master key series. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.